Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Lenovo new tab is here. The Lenovo Tab P11 Paris 11 LCD with a Snapdragon 662 and affordable price. Back in August, Lenovo unveiled its Tab P11 Pro Android tablet, and now the maker is announcing a more affordable version. Dude, Tab P11, the new model come with an 11-inch IPS LCD with a 2000 and 1200 pixel resolution, Snapdragon 662 chipset, and a single 13 megapixel rear camera around the back. There is another 8 megapixel selfie camera up front and a smaller 7500 mAh battery with a 20-volt charging over USB Type C. We get Android 10, not the Android 11 on the software front, and a 2 memory storage configuration to choose from: a 4 GB RAM and 64 GB version, and 6 GB with 128 GB trim. Both come with a micro SD slot for a easy storage expansion. The Tab P11 Lenovo supports LTE and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and also has a quad speaker setup. It supports the keyboard pack dock and a precaution pen to stylus, which can be purchased separately. The base of 4 GB 64 GB version price is starting from $229 starting later this month. So this is the latest Lenovo P11 Paris tablet. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new P11 tablet from Lenovo? Also like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.